Welcome! I'm glad you dropped by. This is Safari Sam, and I'm going to show you how to write letters. Are you ready to learn how to write another letter? Animal letters help us write letters correctly. Now, if you missed out on what an animal letter is, check out our Learning to Write with Safari Sam video. I'll leave a link in the description below. If you want to practice writing your letters with me, download our free writing letter template found on our link tree. Let's begin by talking about where you should not start writing your letters. You heard me right. You heard me right. A letter can start almost anywhere except for one place. When I write letters, if I want them to look really nice, I never start at the bottom. Today, we're learning how to write the letter Y. Do you remember what animal letter the lowercase y is? Yeah, it's a monkey letter. Wow, and remember, I love monkey letters because it lets me go below the line. Oh, I'm so excited to do this letter. All right, I'm showing you how to write both upper and lowercase letters. However, I want to focus on how to write the lowercase letters because it's what we use the most when we write. With each letter, we write it 2 times. The first time is using the dotted lines. The second time, we do it without the dotted lines. Oh, I can't wait to do this letter. Are you ready? Do you have your paper ready? Do you have your pencil ready? Nice and sharpened? Okay, here we go. When I do the uppercase Y, I'm going to start at the top. Are you ready? Put your pencil right at the same place that I have mine. Then we're going to go down to the middle line. Then we're going to stop. Stop right there. And then we go back to the top and we're going to do a diagonal line down to that same place. And then our third stroke is to go straight down to the bottom. And there is our uppercase letter Y. Now with the lowercase y, we're going to start in the middle. Do we start at the bottom? No way! If we start at the bottom, our letter is not going to look nice. And sometimes people who start at the bottom, they go up and then it becomes like an uppercase Y. We want the lowercase y to look like a lowercase y. So I'm not going to start at the bottom. I'm going to start right here at the middle line. And then I go down diagonally to the bottom line. Then I stop and I come back up to the top and I go down diagonally. But remember, what do we get to do? Right, we get to go below the line. Great job. All right. Here we go. Let's erase this. Erase, erase, erase. Erase, erase, erase. We are erasing all our lines so we can do the Y again. Yeah. Okay, here we go. Okay, get ready. Get ready. Here we go. Remember, with the uppercase Y, I have to start at the top line and then go down diagonally. Are you ready? Here we go. Go down diagonally, and then I stop. Then I come back up to the top and I go down diagonally the other way and touch the other line. And then I go straight down to the bottom line. And there's my uppercase Y. Okay, lowercase y, where do I start? Right, the middle line. I still go diagonal though. I go diagonal down to the bottom line. Okay, and here's the favorite part. Oh my goodness. I'm going to go diagonally again, down and touch it. But this time, what do I get to do? Below the line. I get to go below the line. And there is my lowercase y. I hope you had as much fun doing the letter Y as I did. Well, make sure you come back next time so we can do another letter. Until next time, bye.